Welcome to JioSh URL. Today, I would like to walk you through the process of signing into your JioSh URL account. JioSh URL is a powerful platform that provides a range of features and functionalities to enhance your online presence. So, let's get started with the steps to sign in without any delay. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL https://geo.sh into the address bar. Once you have entered the URL, press Enter to navigate to the website. Upon reaching the website, you will notice a Sign In button. Please click on this button to initiate the login process. Alternatively, on the same page, there is a button labeled Login. When you click on this button, it will also take you to the login page. A new window will appear on your screen, presenting you with the login interface. Within this login window, you'll need to provide your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your JioSh URL account in the designated field. Be sure to double-check for any typing errors to ensure accuracy. Next, enter your password in the provided field. Remember to use the correct combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, if required. Take a moment to verify that you have entered the password correctly before proceeding. Once you have entered your email address and password, it's time to click on the Login button. By clicking this button, you'll initiate the authentication process, and JioSh URL will verify your credentials. And then the website will redirect you to the dashboard of your JioSh URL account. Congratulations! You have successfully signed into your JioSh URL account, gaining access to all the incredible features and functionalities that the platform offers. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore the various options available to you. JioSh URL provides a range of tools and resources to help you create and manage your online presence effectively. Remember, your JioSh URL account holds immense potential, so make the most of it by utilizing the platform's features to enhance your online presence, promote your business, or share your ideas with the world. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this guide has been helpful in understanding the sign-in process for your JioSh URL account. Happy exploring and enjoy the benefits of JioSh URL.